Hi there, back out in the kayak today, first time of 2022, pardon me. Today we're at the Lake of Menteith, and I believe this is the only lake in Scotland. And I believe that's only because there was a misspelling in the 19th century or something. Don't quote me on that, because I talk rubbish. But I'll show you where we are right now. The sun trying to come out there, really.
I know, it's nice to know.
Where the fishermen out. Nice scenery again, isn't it? Right, let's get a wee bit of paddling done. It's dead peaceful. I've missed this after a hard week at work. Say hello, Elaine. Turn around and say hello.
Hello. No missed me.
The water's full of algae. I don't know if the camera will pick that up. The kayak will need a wee shower. The sun coming out now. You can actually feel it quite warm. Normal service has resumed. Elaine's paddling and I'm just sitting taking videos. What do you call that again? Inchmahome Priory. Is that right, Elaine? Aye. I will take a wee paddle over and get a closer look. I don't know if the camera, I think it will pick it up. We've landed on the wee island where the Priory, isn't it? Priory is. So I'll just give you a quick glance around the Priory. There's Elaine doing getting her jacket off. We'll go be walking down the island and we'll get a better view of the Priory before we head back. And Elaine says I can get a shot in the front seat on the way back, which is a first. So I'll speak to you shortly. A wee wander. Ouch, something scratched me there. There's Elaine there. And I was well mentioning this, today is our wedding anniversary. 17 years of marriage. She's done well to put up with me. This time last year, remember, I made Elaine a dinner, a steak pie dinner I made from scratch. Yeah, so. This island even comes with a toilet block. It is. Good stand it next to the tree, Elaine.
Perfect tree for sitting in and all.
Aye.
You can get up and out.
We'll stand next to it and then we'll.
I'll put my foot in that because
Hug a tree. Be a tree hugger. She's doing it, I know. That's about the best hug Elaine can give.
my arms just don't dare.
Lunatic. Isle of the Rest. Some famous people to stay here. King Robert the Bruce and Mary Queen of Scots.
Then there was us.
And then there's you.
There's me.
Well, that area there's closed off. This bit's no, so we can walk about in here. So I'll show you in a minute what Elaine's done. I'll show you in a minute. Right, Elaine,
My griff.
what's that for? What are you going to make with that? She's going to make pint tea.
Good for you. You can see it works.
It's just for anybody that's when they're not there. It's all lying there as you can see. She didn't break it off a branch or anything.
No, dead stuff there. Dead to them, not to me.
Architecture's lovely, isn't it?
Yeah.
I mean, how old's this place again?
Oh, I don't know. It's well old, it really is.
Is that, see?
The part of the church open to the folk. Yeah, let's hope they're landing.
Wee bony horns coming up and grabbing, hasn't you?
Grab their leg. Oh.
Let's walk up to it. Oh, there gravestones, Elaine.
This what?
Site of rood screen.
I don't like
See
the
that?
chain hands. Root screen.
To separate the canon's choir from the lay people's nave, above the screen would have been the great rood crucifix, and in front of it would have been the principal nave altar.
Sounds horrible, that, doesn't it?
Sounds a bit medieval, doesn't it?
I said that looks like a medieval place to me.
The timber
that
stalls
look at it.
occupied by the canons during their services ran alongside the walls. This part of the church would have been turned across the screen, which separated the choir from the nave. And my guess is that's graves there. So there used to be seats running up and down the side for the canons.
Aye, side on, aye, yeah, that's normal, isn't it?
Ooh, give you the heebie-jeebies.
It would, aye. That was the...
Here is somebody trying to move that gravestone, Elaine.
Maybe they're doing that while they're working in
Right,
it or
and
something.
this seems
Aye.
dislodged there,
You
doesn't
wouldn't
it?
want to touch him, what are you
Oh
sure?
no.
That's horrible.
No name of the wee man.
No, wee bogeyman. No.
Even the windows are still intact here. Wonder if it is original, Elaine.
Drop a wee feather down it and see if it's double glazed.
Can you see? That there's girls there.
Oh, they're there.
Right there.
Oh, aye.
Kayak.
Get a landing spot. They'll be wanting that.
Wonder what's in here then. I don't really know anything about this place, Elaine. What is a priory, did you say, for priests and all that? A monastery? East Cloister Range. Above the various rooms at ground level stretched to the dormitory of the canons. So canons higher than the priest, isn't it?
Oh, Cannon is just like right over the district. You know, nice.
You'll know that's your religion.
But kind of is.
Yeah, that boiling, that's...
That's amazing, isn't it?
Here's a view of the priory from the water. I love the wee landing spot there.
He's good there. Very handy.
So, I'm now at the front of the ship. And there's trouble behind me. First time I've been at the front, Elaine.
Yep.
So, let's get back to the car and we'll get dried off. Right, there we go. You feel that heat now, can you?
That is nice. Just put my jacket up for the older. Icky.
very peaceful. That's a nice looking hill up there for walking into.
It is, aye, it looks nice.
There are a couple of kayaks out that direction. It's just floating here's good, isn't it? Look, there's fishermen out now.
There's quite a lot of them, isn't there?
There's about 4 boats there. There's another half a dozen there that way. I'm videoing you.
I can't believe we're going to get more. Oh my god.
Well, we're nearly arriving back at the car park. It's been another cracking day at the kayak. Really enjoyed myself. How about you, Ellen? You enjoyed it?
Yeah.
You enjoyed being at the back?
Yeah.
Aye?
I like it. I just like being out.
Anyway, then I'll be paddle. Right, thanks for watching again, people. We'll just finish that video here while Elaine's just finishing drying the kayak off. It's been another good day at the lake of Menteith and Inchmahome Priory, is that right, Elaine?
Yep.
Yep. Yeah, so once again, thanks for watching and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye bye.